racing around at 25 miles an hour. This Roadrunner dad is run ragged, providing food for 3 ravenous chicks, hunting pretty much anything he can get his beak on. But each time Dad leaves, the nest is exposed. A hognose snake detects scent molecules on each tip of its forked tongue, sensing in stereo to determine the exact direction of its prey. Another meal secured, Dad heads home. Just in time. With lightning reactions and a sharp 2-inch beak. Roadrunners are known as snake killers for good reason. Dad just turned danger into dinner. But now, this snake doesn't smell so appetizing. Roadrunners aren't picky eaters, but when it comes to rotten flesh, it's a pass. At least his chicks are safe. Or are they? A zombie resurrection? Or just playing dead to save his skin? The hognose snake can even emit a smell like decomposing carrion, faking his own death so he can live to die another day.